In fact, this forecast is going to have you breaking a sweat today on Mother's Day and really for the remainder of this week. We tied a record yesterday in Galveston. 87 is what we made it up to. 87 was the previous record in 2018, and we are up against some new records for today. Check it out. Forecast 96 for today in College Station. That is the previous record. We're looking to be just 1 degree shy of the last record in Houston. Hobby getting close to the record, and Galveston looking to beat the record too. Here is your Mother's Day forecast. So we are starting off a little bit cloudy. Much of that cloud cover is really all that moisture starting to condense, and that's unfortunate because condensation is a warming process. So with all that moisture starting to turn over into mist, you're going to feel even warmer as we're waking up this morning. By the lunchtime, plenty of sunshine. We'll be at 90 degrees, continuing to warm. We're going to have a southerly breeze that's going to pick up some speed this afternoon too, 10 to 20 miles an hour. So if you're wearing a hat to shield yourself from the sun, you're going to have to hold on to it at times. 95 is the high for today, but it is going to feel like 100 degrees because of that added humidity. By sunset tonight, which is at 8:03, you're still in the upper 90s, barely budging from the 90-degree temperatures that we're going to be experiencing back-to-back days. Humidity is something we're going to have to be combating with too. So heat plus humidity means feels like conditions that are warmer. So while temperatures will reflect the 90s throughout the day, it's actually going to feel closer to 100 degrees. Are you headed to brunch today? Noon forecast feels like 99 a bush. Are you headed to lunch? Still feels like 100 a bush. And while you're having a little dinner, you still are going to be sweating, going to feel like 97 degrees. The outlook for the next 6 to 10 days, above average conditions. And the big reason for that, the jet stream tells the story. We've got a big blocking system. High pressure is not going to budge, and this ridge steers all the cold air and all the moisture systems to the north of us, to the west of us, and to the east of us. We get stuck with this very dry pattern, this very humid pattern too, as we get that Gulf moisture to flow in. So just remember these heat tips for today and the week. Drink water, wear light colored clothing to reflect the sunlight, and make sure you're taking breaks in the shade if you don't have access to AC. And then if you can make your plans indoors, that's going to be best to cool off your body. 7-day forecast, plenty of 70s on deck, and then overnight lows only in the 70s. That's the 70s, 90s on deck for highs, and then 70s overnight.
Plenty of 90s and 70s.
90s, 70s, feeling
like
hundreds.
100s all over. All right, Kim, thank you so much.